forward is nothing but a same structure as seagull. It is called capped forward because let's say I'll take one example of this importer seagull and convert that into a cap forward. This 81.75 to 83.5. Let's say you say 81.75 and 83.5. Okay. In cap forward, the sell put level is equal to spot. So essentially you have a buy call at 81.75 and sell put at 81.75, which is a synthetic forward at spot. So you're basically buying a forward at spot. So your premium should be equal to forward premium, and you are selling a call option at 83.50. So this will cost you only 3 paisa, 3.5 paisa. So if you take a forward, you pay a cost of 53 paisa. If you take a capped forward, where your protection is only till 83.5, you pay 3.5 paisa. So this is a good structure. If you want to make some money from hedging, many companies try to do that. So, I mean, not like well protected risk, but it will possibly give you some benefit, right? And you are not paying much premium. You are paying only 3 paisa. You can make it a zero cost also if you want. And if you take it to, let's say 85, let's check how much is the cost. The cost is 30 paisa. So from current spot till 85, you are paying 30 paisa compared to a forward premium of 52 paisa, right? So then there is another structure, which is, I will just change it. It's called importers range forward, where you say that my worst case should be protected first of all. So I buy a call option at 83, and my best case also should be, let's say I don't want benefit more than 81. This is the structure I want. Worst case should be 83, even if it goes to 85, 86, it should be well known to us. And benefit till 81 is all we are looking at, or let's say 80.5. How much will this one cost? This one will cost you 40 paisa. You have to pay 40 paisa, you are protected at 83, you get benefit till 80 half. You bring down, let's say the buy call strike to 82 half, and this one to 81, the cost will go up a bit, 46 paisa. So you can devise your range forwards, and let's look at the scenario analysis of what we discussed. So